I'm excited to welcome to the program World Doc, Alan Lindemann. Doc, what's going on, man? How are you?
We're doing really well here, Neil. And you?
Very good. And today's topic, whooping cough. What is whooping cough?
Well, medically speaking, we call it pertussis. That's because the bacterium which causes whooping cough is called pertussis. So, what happens with pertussis or whooping cough? You get violent, rapid coughing until there's no air left in your lungs, and then the whistling noise that you get when you inhale the air, that after you have completely expelled it, is like a whoop. So that's why they call it whooping cough.
Is there a lab test for pertussis?
Well, yes, there is, and it is actually it's a nasal swab that can be run in any lab.
If you get whooping cough, do antibiotics help?
Well, because it's a bacterium, and that's one of the reasons I wanted to talk about this today, because this is bacteria, and that means that antibiotics will help. So the antibiotics should be given at least during the coughing phase, which can be anywhere between 4 and 6 weeks. But they don't do much good if you start the antibiotics after you've had the cough for 3 weeks.
How can pertussis be prevented?
The recommendation is to vaccinate children with, it's called DTaP, which is diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. Avoid close contact with people who are coughing or sneezing. Wash your hands. Stay at home if you're sick. Cover your cough with a tissue or cough into your sleeve. Seek medical attention if you think you have if your children have been exposed.
What are complications of pertussis?
Well, infants are more likely to get it, to have complications than adults. And the most common serious complication is bacterial pneumonia.
When should I take my child to the doctor?
Well, if you think your child has whooping cough, if you think your child has been exposed, you can even get antibiotics that will prevent or at least attenuate. In other words, make the illness less serious. So you should call your doctor and you can get antibiotics. And these include, the family is called macrolides, but it's zithromax, erythromycin, and sometimes amoxicillin.
All right, the best place to go is worlddocalan.com and pick up Pregnancy Your Way, available today on Amazon. Thanks, Doc.
Thank you, Neil.
All right, that was the World Doc Allen podcast, guys. Take care.